So far we're through 2 of 3 boxes. Got a nice 1 of 1 plate, magenta plate. So we're going to open that last box. Alright, here we go. Bowman's Best 2007. Last box we got 4 hits. That's pretty cool. Last 5 packs. Pack number 1. Brian McCann, Barry Bonds, Greg Reynolds, prospect numbered to 499. Yeah, I forgot. All the prospects and all that stuff is numbered. That's cool. Alex Rodriguez, 500 career home runs. Short road to 500. That's unnumbered. Next pack. Vladimir Guerrero, Mark Teixeira. That's awesome. Daisuke Matsuzaka, rookie, numbered to 799. Vern Wells, green, numbered to 249. And Chase Utley. All these 3 men should have autographs in them. Alfonso Soriano, base. Tom Glavine, base. Is this the auto? Fernando Martinez, prospect auto. Jim Thome, base. And sorry about that, you guys. My memory card was full. So we got 2 more packs of Bowman's Best. Grady Sizemore, base. Vernon Wells, base. Glenn Perkins, rookie auto. That's cool. Kinda stuck right there. Gary Sheffield, base. And Roger Clemens, base. Alright, last auto, everybody. Let's hope that this one's good. I haven't been getting the best players, but I got 1 of them. David Wright, base. Carl Crawford, base. Justin Verlander, auto. He's pretty good. That's cool. Joe Mauer, base, and Ryan Howard, base. Alright. That'll do it. Those were the boxes. Pretty nice. Didn't really get any good veteran autos. Got 1 good rookie auto. Well, 2 actually. And I got 1 of 1. 1 of 1. Now that's nice. So that was a good box. That's definitely a good box. Thanks everybody.